What's up, everybody? It's your boy Law Cannon, and we are back. This time with a special, highly requested video. This has went viral on every social media: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Who knows? Probably went popular on Tag to MySpace. But this is my Hawaiian roll French toast. I made this the other day because I was inspired by another chef, but everybody has been asking me to make a video or tutorial on these, so I will deliver. Let's get right into it. So first, you want to start off by cracking 3 eggs, 3 large eggs. Crack this into a bowl and throw those eggshells in the garbage. Now, after cracking these eggs, you want to whisk them. You can't even say that 5 times without getting your tongue tied. But then you want to add in a half a cup of heavy cream and whisk that as well. Next, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon, and yes, I do got tablespoon measures this time, guys. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, no imitation. And after you add in your vanilla extract, we're going to proceed to add in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next, we're going to want to add in not a full teaspoon of ground nutmeg, but just a little bit, just to give it that extra little kick. It's like a slight spice. You guys know that, like that holiday taste that you usually taste in, like, you know, your pies and everything. That's what that nutmeg does. And then we're going to add in a pinch of salt. And last but not least, we're going to follow up with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now you want to whisk all of these ingredients completely up, and then we're going to set this aside and dip our Hawaiian bread inside of this mixture. Now in your skillet, you want to heat about 2 tablespoons of butter in a nice skillet. See, I got these new skillets, y'all. You know, this YouTube money. You know, I'm just playing. But yeah, heat your butter just until it's completely melted. Then you want to dip your Hawaiian rolls into your mixture. Make sure you get the whole thing submerged, and boom, drop that in that hot skillet of butter. You can do about 3 at a time. Well, depending on how big your skillet is. I have a nice regular size skillet, but you want to add about 3, maybe 4 at a time, and cook just like you'll cook regular French toast. You want to cook until each side is browned and cook completely. Now, if you're not used to cooking French toast, I do have another YouTube tutorial. It was actually my first tutorial, but you want to cook these until it's browned on each side. Watch for burning, and make sure that you are cooking this on a medium heat. You do not want to burn your French toast. You want them with a really nice browning. As you can see, look at the brown on the bottom of those. Look at that brown. Look at that brown skin. Brown skin, girl. No, but on a serious note, just when each side is browned, then you are just about finished. I'm going to continue to brown these. You guys can sit and watch with me as I make this masterpiece. Now, once your French toast is done, you want to set that aside. Cut up some strawberries, however you want to cut them up. You want to leave the stem on, whatever floats your boat. We're going to cut up some strawberries. After we add our strawberries, we're going to sift some powdered sugar. Sprinkle that powdered sugar all over those French toasts, and boom. I just taught y'all how to make the viral, the infamous Hawaiian roll French toast. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. If you're watching this around Thanksgiving time, because it's definitely the beginning of Thanksgiving week, watch some more videos, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you guys so much, and I will be dropping a few more Thanksgiving recipes this week as well. But we're out of here.